Hello all. Today we'll cover MCP live demo here. MCP Model Context Protocol I've already explained you in our previous video where I've explained that what is MCP, what is core concept of MCP. I've gone through MCP Anthropic MCP GitHub page where I've walked through all the core functionalities that is available into MCP. Similarly, we have like MCP, it is little complex to integrate. So for that we have FastMCP here. Using this FastMCP we can build our MCP server, MCP tools very easily. So you can read here, it is fast Pythonic way to build MCP server and clients, and you will get everything here. What is MCP, what is core concept of MCP, how to use this FastMCP, and everything here. Using this FastMCP I have created one very like I've created basically two MCP server here. One is math MCP server and second is weather server. I'll just explain you what is this math server MCP and what is this weather.py. So in math server basically we have created this math as MCP server and we have created two tools here. We are using fast MCP only here, and we have created these two tools. Uh, like one is add tool, one is multiply tool. In add tool we are giving just this context to LLM to so that LLM can understand what we have into this function. We are just returning a plus b. Similarly into multiply we are returning a cross b, and here we are giving the transport type as stdio. So if you remember, I've already explained you we have two type of transport into our MCP. One is stdio and second is http streamable. In a steady IO, we get the data from the command prompt itself. So let's suppose it's a Python command prompt here. I've already started it here. So you will see nothing here because it is started. It will just get data from command prompt. It is for local testing only. And similarly, we have this weather API. In weather, we have two functions. One is one function only, get weather, and we are just giving one random statement here. It is always raining in California. So now we'll create a MCP client. This MCP client I have created. This to this MCP client, I'll bind those two MCP server. One is math server and its second is weather server. And if we will request anything from our LLM, from our agent about math, addition and multiplication, either about weather, get weather function. So it will just get the data from that MCP tools only instead of that LLM model. So you can see here we need this dependency here. We are using chat OpenAI because you be using the OpenAI API key. If you are using any other model, you can use that one. I have given my API key into .env here. I'm just loading it here. I'm creating this MCP client. To MCP client, I'm giving these two MCP servers, math server and weather server. We have to give their location absolute path. So our absolute path is into same path on same structure only. So we are giving here, and we are giving transport type. Similarly, our weather API was started into this URL 127.0.0.1 and it was localhost 8000. So I've given this one and slash MCP is endpoint where all the tools will be listed. We have given our transport type here. We are getting the API key. We are creating one variable, tools variable. To tools variable, we are passing these two tools and we are using the GPT-4o model. Now we are creating this agent. To this agent, we'll pass this GPT-4o model also. We'll pass this to MCP tool also. Now we from agent we are invoking this agent and we are passing this message, what is 3 plus 5 into 12. So this is a mathematical function where we are utilizing the addition and multiplication. So this it will get the data from math tool like math server, and we are printing it here. Similarly, we are invoking the whether MCP server is invoking this agent, and we are asking what is weather in California. Now I'm printing it here also. So we are using async here. So if you are using async, you need to import asyncio, and you just need to run asyncio.run.me. When we have started this client.py, so we are getting the response, math response as 96, and weather response what we have given, like it's raining in California currently. Whether it might not be raining in California currently, but it is not getting the data from GPT-4 model, it is getting data from MCP tool. So by creating these type of MCP tool, you can enrich your LLM model to more. You can get more data from that LLM model uh, to the data which it is not trained also. That's it for now. We have used very simple example to understand how to create MCP server, how to create MCP client, and how to bind this MCP client with our agent. You can like explore more into complex problem also. Further into our land graph videos, we'll cover some advanced maths like advanced MCP server, and we'll explore and deep dive into MCP more. Thank you for now. Thanks for joining. Thank you so much.